Hey everybody, Martika here with Martika J Makes, and welcome to my channel. So I did a really quick and easy sew on this week, you guys, and I wanted to share this with you because if you are looking for summer outfits or things that you can wear like on a daily basis, make several of, stay tuned because this is it. So welcome back to my channel if you are returning, and if you are new here, welcome. So today we are going to talk about McCall's M8063. You all, this is it right here. And if you have been in the pattern books for some time and you don't have this, you have definitely seen it, and I would strongly advise you to go and grab it. McCall's M8063. So let me tell you a little about View C that I made up. First of all, this is a level 1 learn to sew pattern. So you will, if you are beginning to sew, you will learn how to insert a drawstring, how to do a patch pocket. If you do View C, you can actually get some experience with making a couple of buttonholes. You guys, I have had this pattern for quite some time. This pattern came out in 2020. And to be honest with you, I believe that I have had it since then. So I went through my closet trying to find some things that I need in my closet, especially since it's hot outside, and because of the weight loss that I have had, I've gone down for probably about 3 sizes, literally. And especially like in the pants area, skirt area, I have gone down. Tops, you can kind of make them work depending on, you know, the fit of it. But I said, okay, I need some more capris. I need some more shorts. I need some more skirts. So I went thumbing through my personal catalog here at home, and I came across this pattern. I said, I have had this pattern for so long. I've always thought that these capris were the cutest. I don't know why I never made them. I think it's because of the realm that we get stuck in of new patterns constantly coming out, and we want to make this, we want to make that, we want to do this, and we forget about the good ones that we wanted to make before. So if you're like me, comment below because I know that there's a few of you out there, if not a lot. So this pattern was very easy, you guys. For an advanced or an average sewer, you can definitely do this pattern within a day, probably in a few hours. Seriously, I did kind of split mine up over the course of about 3 days because I was busy doing some other things. But as far as the instructions and the way that it's put together, it is so very simple. Now, the instructions are written out for a beginner. So if you are an average or intermediate sewer or a very advanced sewer, there are some things you can skip over. So I did find myself skipping over, you know, a few of the instructions that they were calling for because I didn't need to do certain things. So in this pattern, I actually bought an extra small, medium package. Okay, that's how they come. And then they also come a separate package, come in large, extra large, and double extra large. And the size that I cut out for this was a small. Okay, I probably could have gotten away with an extra small, but the hip area was 1/2 inch smaller than what my hips measured at. So I wanted to make sure, because this does call for like medium weight woven fabrics such as cotton blends, linen, chambray, challis, and denim. I wanted to make sure that I had enough room in the hip area because it's easier to take it in than it is to take it out. If you make it too small, then you know it's really not much you can do about it. So the only notions that was needed for View C is 2 yards of 3/8 inch or to 1/2 inch of twill or ribbon, and that is for the tie-up that you need for the waist, and then 2 3/4 inch buttons. So I had that in my stash. Also, something else I want to point out about this pattern is that you only see 3 of the views on the front here. You see view A, you see view C right here, and then you see view E. The rest of the views are on the line drawings in the back, you guys. So you actually have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 views in all on this. So take a really close look at these and see which ones you might want to do. Because like for instance, view C does have this breaking point to where this is actually 2 pieces that's sewn together in the front and back, where view D don't have that. It's just like one whole piece, if you can see that there. So take a really close look at your views to make sure that you are doing the view that you want to do. Same with the shorts. You have view A here with the cuffs, but view B, you can make shorts without the cuff. So lots of variations in this pattern. It is definitely one to have and one to keep. You can easily make pajama bottoms out of these. That's what I thought of when I saw these. These are pants, but could definitely be pajama bottoms as well. Now, as I said, this isn't easy to sew. It's a learn to sew. Super, super, super easy. Instructions are very clear to follow. The only thing that I would change probably is that unless you have, if you have a twill or ribbon that you are tying up in the waist, it could be to where it's one of those fabrics that won't stay tied very tight. So you want to test out your twill or ribbon to make sure that when you tie it, it's going to hold that tie. If not, the only thing I would have changed is that I probably would have liked a little elastic in the waist, and I may do that next time and then just make a couple of buttonholes for the twill tape to go through, or the rope belt, whatever you choose to go through there. But other than that, I wouldn't change a thing about this pattern because it was perfect. You guys, I am 5'2". I didn't even have to change the length of the capris in this pattern because it hit great. I did not take any photos with tennis shoes on, but I did wear these with tennis shoes. So they look cute with tennis shoes also. And you can just do so many things with this pattern. I love patterns like this. And really, to be honest with you, I could kick myself for not sewing this up 2-3 years ago. Okay, but here I am today going through my old patterns, finding some that I love. I'm really trying my best to stay out of the stores, to hit some of those nice sales up that's coming. I'm not gonna say that I'm gonna do that, but I really am trying to go through some oldies but goodies and seeing what I have really wanted to make in the past and go ahead and get it made. So if you are needing like capris, shorts, pants, anything like that in your stash for this summer, you guys grab McCall's 8063. There are sales coming up at Joann's. Be sure to check your ads and yeah, get those dates down because these old ones are some great ones to grab, especially when you find one like this one. So would I make this again? Heck yeah. Okay. Heck yeah, I would definitely make this again, and I am gonna make this again. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and make some shorts too. Oh, by the way, I did use a denim, as you can tell in the photos that I've shown you. I did use a denim with this piece here, so I will do it again. I'll probably do some denim shorts. I probably will do some linen in this. This would make some great capris in a linen fabric, and so I will most likely do some linen and just, you guys, get a lot of use out of this pattern, seriously. And did it come out looking like the pattern? You be the judge. Be the judge. You tell me, because I think it came out looking just like the pattern, other than the tie belt, because I chose to do like a rope style tie belt, and it holds perfectly, you guys. But it came out exactly like this. Okay, I love it. So yeah, go ahead and get this. I highly recommend it. Have fun with it, and let me know if you have this pattern, if you've sewn it up, or even if you're gonna give it a try. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you all for watching, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.